The fourth secret of superstar realtors is that they generate leads using information products. You can't show me one superstar realtor who doesn't have some form of an information product that they use to educate their target market. All ultra successful realtors share their area of expertise by giving away free information. Why would you want to do this? Well, the obvious reasons are number one, it positions you as an expert in your field. Number two, you become viewed as a trusted advisor to your target market. And number three, perhaps the most important of all, it generates a constant flow of quality leads for your real estate business. I truly believe that every realtor who wants to become a top producer needs to have their own lead generation information product, such as a consumer guide, report, book, etc. That should just be a given. You can't show me one ultra successful realtor that doesn't have some way of leveraging their time by systematically educating multiple people at once using information products. In fact, that would be one of the very first pieces of advice we would give to a new realtor. Once they decide on their target market, we would suggest they prepare a 5 to 10 page consumer guide designed to help their clients sell their home faster for top dollar, find their dream home, avoid costly mistakes, etc. When someone opts in to request their free education resource, boom, you just got a hot new lead. Then, once they have consumed your valuable information, your credibility as an expert increases dramatically. Then, when the time comes that they need to buy or sell, you become the only logical choice. Information products come in all forms. They come in a book or an ebook. They come in special reports or consumer guides that you can send via direct mail. You could record your live seminars or webinars and create an audio version on CD or video version on DVD. You could also create a series of emails that give one financing tip every few days that's automatically sent to your prospects on autopilot. You could write articles for your local newspaper. You could host your own educational radio show. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. I think this one secret is extremely important, so much so that if you're a realtor and you don't have some way of educating your target market outside of the usual one-on-one face-to-face consultations, you need to make this your top priority. Chances are you like the idea of having your own information products, but feel overwhelmed at the mere thought of trying to create one. That's why we provide our preferred realtor partners with a growing collection of done-for-you lead generation reports and consumer guides, done-for-you monthly client newsletters, and done-for-you articles. All you have to do is pop in your photo, your contact info, and you're good to go. You can even get our personalized assistance in creating your own information product from scratch, should you need it. We've got all the proven systems in place. Just stick the key in the ignition and drive away. For more information on how we can help you grow your business, call us today.